Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with another ponytail hair review. Now as y'all can see, this is a straight ponytail. It is synthetic and I did get it from Aisi Queens on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details about this ponytail. Now this ponytail is very interesting, and to be honest with you, it took me 2 times to install it, so I don't even know if it's like on there like correctly, but it's cool. Practice makes perfect. So another time that I might try to put it on, we'll see how that goes. But let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you how the ponytail looks. It had one comb and then it had a separate piece of hair, which I believe that's the piece that you wrap around the ponytail, and then it has a Velcro part for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this ponytail. So again, this ponytail is from Aisi Queens. It's their 24-inch ponytail extension, long strap wraparound clip-in synthetic ponytail. The shade that I got is chocolate brown. They do have a couple other shades: dark brown, brown black, medium brown, natural blonde, natural black, ash blonde, burgundy, and I think that's pretty much it. It retails for $9.98. Very cheap, okay? Very cheap. So again, that extra part is to wrap around the ponytail, okay? Which for the most part I got down, as y'all can see. But I don't know if it's because of my natural hair ponytail, like I didn't braid it or anything, so it's just like sitting there. I have no idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the ponytail looks on my head. So this is how it looks, this part in the front, and then here's like the side, here's the back, and here is the other side. So I like the color. It is a, what'd I say? Chocolate brown. So I do like the color. It's really cute. It's super straight, so y'all know I'm natural. But, you know, I like the length, 24 inches. Yeah, so it's really cute. I just need to practice the whole wrap around and all of that stuff. But I want to thank Aisi Queens for reaching out to me and asking me to review this ponytail. I really do appreciate it. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this ponytail, as far as the hair texture, the length, you know, the whole separate piece of hair that you wrap around. Let me know down below what you guys think, okay? Let me know. But that is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.